Okay, I got a 2004 Pontiac Grand Prix. I'm hooking up a stereo system. So these are the harness that are hooked up. You got the red wire. You're not gonna have any power, so you need to find the power for the red wire. You can use the pink for ignition, or you can use the brown right there. I use the oscillating tool to cut this open. Now, if you don't have this to cut open, you want to remove this part out under the key, and you want to look for this wire, but then you're gonna have a hard time reaching it. So the best way is to cut this piece out. I use oscillating tool on that one, and you want to hook the brown wire to the red wire of over here of any stereo you have. Red wire is accessory, it's not live, it's on when the ignition is on. So you want to hook that up, and then if you got a built-in amplifier, you want to make sure you tap your wire to you want to tap your blue wire to this blue right there. Okay, you see next to the orange wire right there, that's blue. So hook that up with that so you can get the radio to sound. If not, your radio is not gonna work. And for any further information how to remove this, my other channel does have it. I will link it below. And this is how you hook up a stereo that has an amplifier, that you're not buying the expensive harness, which means it's about $89 to $149 for that harness, and most people don't want to spend that. They'd rather spend $10 on it. And this harness right here, I will link below also for you to look at. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe below. Thank you. Bye bye.